We just recorded. We just recorded a video for Capri's channel. We made ribs.
We did.
And now we're gonna show you guys what the apartment looks like right now.
Yeah.
So this is the kitchen, guys. Pretty basic stuff. But right here is the living room. We got the bathroom right in here. Hello. Got the bathroom right in here. Then we got the setup. We got my room. We're not gonna be showing Capri's room because he's gonna be doing his own video on that. But as you can see, ya boy got the new Xbox. But yeah, we got that set up over there. That's basically the new apartment. It's pretty nice. Yeesh. But yeah, we're about to go eat some of these ribs. I thought I would just give you guys a little tour, little sneak peek into Capri's room real quick. But yeah, man, we about to chow down on these goddamn ribs.
Holy fucking smokes, I got my money up. Counting all these pins took me a while just to damn run it up. All time is, I'm feeling 100 up.
I'm following you, boy.
Leave it alone.